Hi guys, in this video we will see how to use voice typing on your Windows 11 and 10 system. This is a very important tools. No requirement of typing, just voice and your typing start. To open this wizard, Win+H shortcut key, press on your keyboard and voice typing tool will appear. So first open your typing field where you want to type and press Win+H shortcut key to launch voice tools and start your voice. How to use voice typing in Windows 11 and Windows 10. Today we will see in this video under tips how to. So you can easily see our voice is successfully typed in your typed field. So you can easily use voice typing in your Windows 11 and 10 system by pressing Win+H shortcut key and start your voice and typing as you speak.